Giving and receiving compliments. Getting a compliment really makes your day. Here are some examples of how we give and receive compliments in English. You really look nice. You're like, so pretty. Thank you. You're so kind. You are a genius. Just doing my best. You're awesome. Thank you so much. I feel like hugging you. You look beautiful too. What a brilliant and revolutionary idea. Thanks, man. Oh, those are some nice pants. That's very kind of you to say so. It's delicious. I've never tasted anything better. I love that shirt on you. I'm speechless. Thanks. I got the job. Congratulations. Why not pay someone a compliment today? What's the biggest compliment you can pay someone? Thanks for watching. The end.